And my next video will be tomorrow. That's my layout, all the components. Nope, not that. That was on my last video. That's the fuse that I pulled off in my last video. So there's the new board, as you can see it. It hadn't been soldered up yet, so I laid everything out with my daughter, and we're doing a checklist. This is what it is. So MFJ 9340K. It's a little QRP. Well, there it says it right there. It's a QRP cub transceiver kit. So we're doing Morse code. I don't know that I'll get it completed tomorrow, but I'm gonna get started on it. There's the key that I'll be using. So I picked that up at the Huntsville Ham Fest last year. And I'm just now getting to it. But I'll try to post the video of some of this. I don't know that I'm gonna get it all done. Like I said, I'm gonna do it little by little. If y'all want more videos like this, please post a comment and like and subscribe, and I'll try to post more videos like this. I laid these out by type, so that way it's easier to work with. I'm gonna label it so that way when it calls for a specific part, I put it on the board. Then I'll bend the pieces back, and I'm gonna do different parts. I'm not gonna do like here, here, and here. I'll do like one here, one there, one over here, one over here, and I'll flip it over. I'll solder all those. Then I'll come over and do another one like here, so it spreads the heat out across the board, so it doesn't desolder any of the other components that are already on the board. Alright, please like and subscribe.